Hey guys, welcome to the Morph workshop. So in this video, we're gonna teach you how to leverage our Morph starter kit to quickly serve as a foundation of your applications that you're trying to build on Morph. So this is gonna be a super quick video. We're gonna show you some examples like how you install the Morph packages and how we design the structures to serve you better. So without further ado, let's go. So how do you install the Morph starter kit? Which is very simple. So we already have made it into a npm packages. So you just type in the commands here. So it will automatically download all the files for you. And first of all, of course, you need to name your project. Let's say examples here. And we offer you two options. So one is a basic starter kit, which is a clean starter kit that already include all the resources you need to build a Morph. And the other is a additional version, which we have our partner Pest Oracle already installed. So depending on your needs, let's use basic starter kit this time. And here we go. We already have all the files you need. So let's check out the directories here. We have two major folders. One is for contracts, one is for front end. And you can see for the contract folder, we offer you two options. One is for Foundry and one is for Hot Hat. So depending on like which framework you're most familiar with, you can switch to any of these structures. And for the front end folder, it's basically just a simple Next.js templates, which including all the basic files. And now, before you start building, there are several certain setups you need to do. So first of all, let's go to the front end folder. And front end and install all the dependencies. This is gonna take some time because there's a lot of resources that we prepared for you to download, but please just wait patiently. All right, so the installation for front end folder is done. Let's go to the contracts folders, and let's say hard hat. Yeah, again, install the dependencies. All right, now you already have all the necessary dependencies for your development. And next step is to configure certain parameters for your applications. The first of it is we have this, we recommend you to use the Wallet Connect application to serve as your wallet connection kit. So what you're gonna do here is under the front end folder, you need to create a new file called env.local, and you need to apply a Wallet Connect application ID here, which is totally free. You can basically do it within 5 seconds, and input your Wallet Connect project IDs here. And with this configuration, you can already have your whole set of wallet kits for your applications, which you don't need to develop yourself. And the second step is for contract development. You need to configure the env.file. So you basically rename this to env, and you adjust two parameters here. First is private key parameters, which represents your wallet, and make sure you have some gas tokens, which is Morph ETH or Morph Hosky ETH. And the second one, depending on whether you are developing on mainnet or you're developing on Hosky testnet, you can adjust the RPC here. If you need to develop on mainnet, you just delete the Hosky here. All right, that's all the setup you need for this starter kit. And make sure that you have all the resources you need here. So for the contract development, we already have the scripts and the contract examples and the test examples here. And for the front end, it's all decided by you to how to play around with all those informations. All right, that's it. Thank you guys. This is a super quick workshop and hope you enjoy your development at this hackathon.